36r squared minus 60rt plus 25t squared. So to find the factors of the given trinomial, first we need to check if the given is a perfect squared. Okay, how to check? Use the two conditions. First condition, check the first term and the last term. Kailangan both positive and both perfect squared. Or they are both positive? Okay, 36 is a perfect square. How about 25? R squared. R squared is a perfect square? T squared. If yes, get the square root. What is the square root of 36? Square root of R squared. R. Square root of 25? Square root of T squared. Then after that, get the product. 6 times 3. R times T. Then multiply it again by 2. 2 times 30. Then bring down R, T. Kailangan equal to sa middle term. Equal to ba? If yes, we can say that the given trinomial is a perfect squared. What we're going to do now? Right? Parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, get the square root of the first term, which is 6R, and the square root of the last term, which is 5T. Then, get the operation at the middle term. What is the operation at the middle term? Minus. Magiging minus 2. Then, don't forget to write squared. So, therefore, this is the answer. So,